Hello and welcome to Paper Aces, a knockout distance competition featuring 16 incredible paper airplanes. In this matchup we have Arrowhead versus Space Chaser, and this is a very interesting one because Arrowhead is one of the most popular and widely folded planes on this channel, known for being an excellent distance plane, while Space Chaser is less well known but also boasts incredible flight capabilities. Let's see who comes out on top. 3, 2, 1, go! Space Chaser can claim a respectable performance with a farthest flight of over 100 feet, but Arrowhead dominates this race and posts a score of 5-0. With this result, Space Chaser is eliminated from the tournament and Arrowhead advances to round 2, where it will face the winner of Atlantis and Zenith, a matchup that many have been asking for years. So stay tuned because in just 2 days, those two face off and only one can advance. If you would like to learn how to fold Arrowhead or Space Chaser, you can click on the tutorials on the left side of your screen, and if you would like to see Atlantis versus Zenith, click on the video on the right. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next race.